We're talking weather.
Hopefully you can find some me time and take yourself outside today because the weather's actually going to cooperate quite nicely. But just a big heads up, if you are going to spend some time outside, our pollen count is high. And here are the main culprits. We've got juniper, oak, and hackberry all at a high count, fungus at a low count throughout the day today. And really that's going to stay consistent today and tomorrow. We have cloud cover overhead this morning along our western counties, not nearly as widespread as yesterday. We do have some of that cloud cover hanging out early on, but by the afternoon, you'll only notice a little bit of it as the temperature climbs to about 77 degrees on Tuesday, 82 degrees on Wednesday. That'll be close to about 15 degrees above what's considered normal this time of the year. Thursday is when that front arrives, and that's when we have that potential for storms. Following that, we'll see that cool down into the mid-60s this weekend. Okay, so here's the rain coverage, about 80% on Thursday. It dwindles down slightly overnight Thursday. Friday, 60%. Saturday, going up to about a 40%. Here's the timing. Today, we see some of that cloud cover clearing. Tomorrow, it stays clear. We'll see temperatures climbing into the 80s. I'm going to fast forward this to Thursday. Thursday is when we'll be watching that dry line, and this is a very typical setup for the springtime. That dry line approaches, interacts with moisture that's currently in our air. It helps enhance some thunderstorms, and a few of those storms could be on the strong side. Once those storms are starting to develop, we'll then see this front coming in. So this is Thursday around 6 now, and you can see generally in North Texas, we'll have pretty decent coverage of these storms. Not every storm will be severe, but we have the potential to see a few strong storms. Thursday night into Friday morning, that front continues to work its way in, and that's what keeps the rain in the area, not just Friday, but also on Saturday. And rain coverage, like I said, will lower as we get into the weekend. Okay, so our severe weather threat, Storm Prediction Center has us currently under a 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk. The main concern will be hail and strong winds. Again, not every storm has this potential. We just are seeing that setup that could bring on a few isolated storms that are on the strong to severe side. Something that we do know, though, is that it'll be a soaker. 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain will be possible. After that, we're looking at the cool down for this weekend.